Craft the art with water's flow, grounding of earth, wind's grace, sky's vastness, fire's passion, nature and inspiration.
Hello artist, welcome to Abstract Tusha. So today we are going to make an abstract landscape painting. So for this, today we are going to convert existing painting into a beautiful abstract landscape. So watch the video till the end. It's going to be fun and I'll make sure you enjoy this video. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the painting.
This is a painting I made a while back. I wasn't really happy with it, so I decided to change it and make it look nice. It's going to be like trying something new. Let's see how it turns out. I'm adding some more colors now. I need to make sure they look good together by mixing them. It feels really good to do this. Now the painting is starting to look like something. I'm adding the multiple colors, trying to blend it, and it seems that colors are mixed nicely. Some finishing touches to blend those colors. Black to add some weightage to this. And now it's time to turn the painting around. Wow, it looks pretty. Now I'm going to add some bumpy parts using palette knife. I'm using black paint, and it always feels good to use this tool. Look how my hand moves freely with this palette knives. It's always satisfying. It, I need to add more colors to make it more interesting. I'm making the reflection of mountains with a palette knife. And now it's starting to look like something now. So look how I use the water to make this reflections of mountains. Needs to add more colors to take it to a different level. And I'll keep doing it until I feel satisfied. And that's what is important for an artist, right? making those shadows visible enough. Shadows, or I would say the reflection. It seems that's all the work paid off. And those additional colors, those random colors, but the entire composition, that should make you feel better. Look at the composition, it's balanced. The last thing after this is the sun, and before that we're gonna add some trees, abstract trees. And now it's time to paint the sun. And now you can relate. It's finished. It's looking so beautiful and calm. Time to put your signature.
Hello artist. So this is the final output. I have not imagined this beautiful output. Look at these multiple colors. They are blended so well. And the palette knife really helped me to get this unique and amazing textures. So overall, this paintings gives me a very amazing vibes, positive vibes, and I really feel good about this painting. So let me know what you think about this painting in the comment box. If you like this, hit that heart icon and make it colorful. Subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification icon so that you won't miss next painting. So bye for now.